very often that we see a government bailout. During the process, I see there are a lot of business criteria. So I want to ask the 19.5 billion preferred shares, why didn't you ask for a discount from Cathay Pacific? Usually these are business considerations. You'll ask for 3 or 5% discount. So if you look at the EGM of Cathay Pacific, there's a 5-year warrant period. So if the business improves, the government can benefit from that. So the call warrant, you can end up owning 6.8% of Cathay shares. The top three shareholders, 28.7, 9.38%. Can they reach a higher level of 7%, 8%? Why did you set yourself at a 6% ownership? And we see that the bridge loan is they have planes as collateral. So does that mean that in 30 months' time, Cathay will need to seek long, medium-term loans or have to issue bonds to help out with the 7.8 billion bridge loan? So, as the preferred shares, we receive a fixed, we charge them a fixed interest. So it's a loan, and in this respect, so there won't be a big discount compared to the exercise price of the call warrant. So the call warrant aim is to enhance the return of the investment, because preferred shares have fixed interest, loans have fixed interest. So when the government bails them out, and if they improve, and when the share price improves, we would like to see a return on public funds. That's why we asked for a call warrant. And the rights issue is 10-1, and it just turned out to be 6% of a common share. The ratio we used was 10-1 call a rights issue. So the market is failing right now. On one hand, we have the flights grounded, and so on the other hand, we have COVID affecting the global industry, and the airline company can't get loans. That's why we are giving them a bridge loan, and within 12 months, they can come to us for money. And after that, we won't be loaning them money. And when the market returns to normalcy, they can seek to raise capital from the market. Last question, Chairman. The preferred shares, the loan, and the rights issue adds up to 39 billion. So the external financial consultant would have set different scenarios. And just now Mr. Yu Siwing asked, in the worst case, the 39 billion, how long can it allow Cathay to operate where we don't need to inject further money and they don't need to have a rights issue? Well, it's not appropriate to conjecture, Chairman. On one hand, we'll have to see how the pandemic plays out and how the economy recovers. We also note that Cathay said that they have a government assistance. They need to review their operations. So we'll have to see how they move forward after the pandemic and after their internal review.